In our latest video, we covered installing GitHub Desktop and creating a Git account. In this video, we are going to clone the Emulator repository. First of all, go to your web browser. Browse to git.opendesert.online. Click Sign In, and sign in with your credentials. Then click Sign In. After that, click Explore. Then click 3795 Emulator, or whatever emulator you desire to clone. After that, copy the Git link. Then close your web browser and open GitHub Desktop. Now, simply go to File, Clone Repository, URL, paste the URL you just copied, select the desired path or leave it at default, and click Clone. Now wait for everything to download. Depending on your internet speed and the speed of the Git server, this may take anywhere from 1 to 60 minutes. Or perhaps even more, because the Git repository is actually quite huge. Let's pause this video for a bit until this repository is done downloading. Okay, the repository has been cloned successfully. Now let's fetch the origin headers. And we fetched it. When you take a look at the history, you will see the latest commits. That's all there is to it. You've now cloned the Git repository. It may be the case that you don't see any files yet. In that case, simply switch to the development branch or any other branch in which you'd like to develop. Switching to this branch might take a while, because it contains a ton of files. After switching is done, you can simply go to the default directory or the directory where you saved your repository. Go to the repository folder, and you will see that everything has been downloaded. That's all there is to it. Now you could start IntelliJ, but we're going to cover that in the next video. Thank you very much for watching, and hopefully until the next video.